All right, so it's February 25th, 2024. We're at the member preview for the sneak peek of the world's first launch flume coaster, the Catapult Falls. It's brand new. It opens up next week, March 2nd, but we get a sneak peek and get to ride it first. So yeah, they try to make it look kind of like a camp, like base camp. They have all this kind of camp stuff, like the rocks, like where they're stacked and everything, kind of like a campground. All right, so there's the last drop right there. This is supposed to be the steepest in the world. It's also the first launch flume ride in the world. Yeah, it's the steepest. Man, it looks really awesome right there. And then also there's the first in the North America, the vertical drop, the lift drop. And there they go. I even brought Ernest, being the first splastronaut at the Disneyland Splash Mountain ride, to experience the Catapult Falls.
Oh my God, we're gonna fall.
Yeah, let me lean this way.
Oh my God.
Maybe we weren't sitting right.
What? You can be on that side.
I can't move. I can't move now.
Oh my God, we're gonna tip over.
I can't move. We're strapped in.
They should have distributed this. I don't realize that.
Oh, you see how it's like a campground?
I don't like the way we're crooked.
Yeah, see all like the camping?
I'm just...
They did neat theming on it. All right, so we're approaching the launch. Oh man! All right, I didn't get too wet right there.
God, we're gonna tip over.
Oh, we're already going to the lift.
I'm definitely closing my eyes.
You got to keep them open.
I don't like.
I didn't know we're already here. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Whoa. This feels high. Whoa. Oh yeah, yeah, that was good.
Oh my God, but I still shut my eyes.
Well, then you can watch my video.
I shut my eyes as soon as I was going up.
All right,
Well,
so
that wasn't near as bad as I thought. Yeah, Jordan needs to ride.
Yeah, and there's no wait.
Huh?
And there's no wait.
Yeah.
Nunca me subieron estas, aunque ya cambió. La primera vez era la pasada, ahora ya cambió. Cambió muy grande. Y yo fueron más mucha gente, o sea.
That's the Catapult Falls here at SeaWorld San Antonio, Texas, with the POV, the ride-on experience. And here you can see some of their merchandise that they have.